Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel zip file. First, locate the Excel files you wish to compress on your computer. You can select one file or multiple files to include in your new compressed folder. This process helps reduce file size, which is incredibly useful for sending large documents via email or saving storage space. It's a simple, two-step process that will make managing your spreadsheets much more efficient. Now let's get those files ready. Once you've selected all the Excel files you want to zip, right-click on any one of them. A menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the Send to option. From the new submenu that pops up, click on Compressed Zipped Folder. This action immediately begins the compression process, creating a new zipped file in the same location as your original files. After selecting Compressed Zipped Folder, a new zipped folder icon will appear right next to your original files. It will have a default name, usually based on one of the files you selected. This is your chance to give it a clear, descriptive name. Simply type your desired name like Monthly Reports Archive, and then press the Enter key. Your new, smaller, and organized zip file is now ready. To ensure everything worked correctly, double-click on your newly created zip file. It will open, showing you all the Excel files you included. You can now confidently share this single compressed file. It's much faster to upload or email one smaller zip file than many large individual Excel documents. This method saves both your time and the recipient's time, making file management a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.